In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust image size in Affinity Photo. Resizing is essential whether you're preparing images for the web, social media, or print, and doing it correctly helps you keep quality while hitting the exact dimensions you need. Start by opening Affinity Photo and loading the image you want to resize. With your image active, look to the top menu and open the Document menu. This is where Affinity keeps the commands related to your file's overall dimensions. In that menu, choose Resize Document. Depending on your version, you may see Document Setup first. If so, go there and then choose the Resize option from within that dialog. A resize window will appear with fields for width, height, units, DPI, and resampling. Type the new size you need. If you're designing for screens, choose pixels as your unit. For print, inches or centimeters are usually more helpful. Make sure the aspect ratio lock is enabled if you want to prevent stretching. This keeps your image proportional as you change one dimension. DPI, sometimes labeled PPI, is crucial for print. A common setting is 300 dots per inches for sharp output. For screen use, DPI doesn't change how it looks on a monitor unless you resample, but it does matter for how large it will print. That brings us to the resample option. When resample is enabled, Affinity actually adds or removes pixels to hit your target size. Pick a resampling method that matches your goal. Bicubic or Lanczos is typically great for enlarging, while bicubic sharper often preserves detail when reducing size. If you only need to change print size without altering pixel dimensions, turn resample off and adjust DPI instead. When everything looks right, click Resize to apply the change. Take a quick look at the status bar or the image's info to confirm the new dimensions. If the result looks softer than you'd like, undo and try a different resampling method or a smaller enlargement. Finally, save your resized image. Saving a copy is a smart way to preserve your original.